That was your bait. What's going on, guys? Jason here with Beach Groceries Fishing. Thank you so much for tuning in again. It's been a little bit since I've gotten to post a video. Went out of town for like a week for a vacation. Ended up getting COVID when I got back and was out for like 2 weeks. So finally getting to get back out to the beach and try to catch some fish. So today is, let's see, October 7th. It is the Navarre Beach Rodeo weekend. So Omar and I came out yesterday, tried to fish for a little bit. We got one pompano, and it didn't turn out all that good. It definitely wasn't big enough to weigh in at the rodeo. So today I actually went fishing on the flats and had no luck at all. And Omar came back out here to the beach and he caught probably the winner of the rodeo. So we're gonna go check that out here this afternoon during the weigh-ins, and hopefully I can get some fish for myself. Got a fish on the set rod. And swimming in. I actually think this fish has been on the rod for a little bit, because during that chaos I saw the rod pop a couple times. It's a pompano. Looks like a keeper too. Heck yeah. Nice pump. See how big you are. Yeah. He's 13. Thereabouts. Yep, 13. Maybe we can get us a couple more of those. That would be nice. Pretty solid fish on right now. Good head shakes. Hopefully it's a good sized fish. This is a good fish. Still running. Got him on a sand flea, Carolina rig.
So I just want to pause the audio here for a second just to point out the magnitude of things at this point. So at this point, Omar can see the pompano. He knows it's a big fish. He knows that it probably win him the rodeo first place anyway. So the pressure's on. The one thing he doesn't mention is that he's using 8-pound fluorocarbon on his Carolina rig. So there's a real risk, when there's a fish this size that you could get broke off. Especially pompano, when they get up close to the beach like this, they will run out away from you. And if you don't have your rod up high enough, you'll see that they can tail whip your leader. And when you're using an 8-pound leader, that can cause problems. A lot of people would ask, why is he using such a light leader? Well, because when you're fishing crystal clear water like this, the pompano can see them. So, big fish like that, the reason why they're big is because they've never been caught. So, usually because they're picky about what they eat, they, are not going to bite a bait that has a 20-pound leader on it. So, it just increases your odds.
Come on, baby. Come on. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo! Yes. 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 I am so happy. So happy. Wow. This is a beast. Woo-wee. Pretty far away from that one. Oh, what is it? Splashing around out there on the top of the water. It's kind of crazy. I actually saw something splashing out there, but my rod was just sitting there. It wasn't moving. Oh, it looks like a pompano. Doesn't look very big, but it's not bad. He'd probably go like 13. Let's get a measurement on you, dude. What you got? To the 12 inches. Not quite 13, but he's a keeper, which is cool because I caught one yesterday and I always hate cleaning one fish. So just using a fish gum, not really certain what kind it is. It came in the rodeo bag. That guy was about to fall off of there. So the hook came right back on a little better.
So it's really low tide, and people have been catching pumping over. They've been catching them really far out. So normally I don't wade in the water, but you know, got to do what you can do. See if we can get us another one. You gotta be kidding me. I didn't even got back to the beach yet. So it's probably about the same as the last one. Come on in here. Both of those pompano were jumping out of the water. Come on. He's probably about the same size. He's, yeah, basically the same size, maybe a tad bit smaller. Still legal fish. That's what I'm talking about. Beach grocery. Another beach grocery. I would normally bleed these guys out first, but in my haste to get out here to the beach, I forgot my knife. So it is what it is. Something on there, maybe. Yep. Not pulling any drag. It does feel like he's fighting a little harder than the last two. He's running down the beach. Man. There he is. There we go. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger. They're getting bigger. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So I was starting to get worried. Wasn't getting any more bites. Thought I was gonna have to reel it in, check the bait. I've just moved it enough. Maybe it was sanded over or something. I'm only fishing with one rod, so I gotta make sure I got a bait on it, because otherwise I'm just standing out here doing nothing. Surprisingly, I'm not seeing any fish. I know that fish are out deep, at least the pompano are, but yesterday we were out here, we saw schools of redfish and lots of small pompano that like big schools of baby pompano. Let's walk this guy out. There we go. almost in the middle of that dark green area out there. Another beach grocery. I think I got another one on. It's been a little bit. Wow. Looks like another pompano. This guy might be a little smaller. That'll be all right. It might be legal. Oh, we'll measure him. Man, they tore up that fish gum. Let's get a measurement on you, guy. It's 11. It's legal. All right, well, that was pretty cool. Got 4 pompano in about 2 hours, so that makes me happy. It definitely makes up for the absolute skunk that we got this morning, freezing our butts out there in 55-degree temperatures, wading in the water. So it's definitely made up for it. But anyway, we're gonna head to Juana's Pagoda on Navarre Beach and check in on Omar and his 4-pound pompano. He's currently in first place. The weigh-ins stop in about 3 minutes, and there's usually a long line of people still weighing in for, I don't know, until 5 or so. So we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. We'll be right there. All right, so we're at Juana's. Went and put those fish on ice and got out of those wet clothes. So let's go check it out. So Omar is first place pompano. Last I checked, I doubt anybody's going to catch a pompano bigger than 4 pounds, but could be. And he actually won first place last year too. So he's kind of on a little run.
Here.
What's up, man? That's awesome, dude.
So I was like super careful. I wanted that fish like dead.
I want to see it,
So it
man.
was like an 8-minute camera.
Is it? I guess you already got it at home, huh?
And I totally failed in freaking filming the weigh-in. Like I recorded and I must have hit it again because it didn't record when I went up there. It only recorded when I took the cooler out of the damn car.
Yazzie hat. There we go. The man with the Yeti cooler. Put that fish on. Right on? Okay. Very nice. Thanks, Isaac. All right, first place. Omar. Okay, where am I? Oh, there. I'm sorry. Omar Freeze. There we go. Sorry. Thanks, Omar. Sorry. It was a little bit of trying to figure out where the sketch was written. I don't work in checks anymore. It's like 18 hours. All right. Thank you so much, Omar. Hopefully you'll fish with us again next year. It pays to fish with the Navarre Fishing